Good day, everyone. We are here to present modules of instructions in land-based transport, refrigeration, servicing, and C2 in common competency. Group members, Abad Rosalyn, Gubaton Christian Odon, Tiad Mari Rose. Unit of competency, prepare materials and tools. Module titles, nilagyan po namin ng ing. So, naging preparing materials and tools. Nakuha po namin yun sa unit of competency ng training regulations. Module descriptor, kinuha po namin sa unit descriptor, which is this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude in identifying, requesting, and receiving needed materials and tools based on the required performance standard. Nominal duration, 3 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. Learning outcomes number 1, identify materials. Learning outcomes number 2, request materials and tools. Learning outcomes number 3, receive and inspect materials and tools. So this summary of learning outcomes is kinuha po namin sa elements ng training regulation. Assessment criteria. Materials are listed as per job requirements. Quantity and description of materials conformed to the job requirements. Tools and accessories are identified according to the job requirements. Ang assessment criteria po is kinuha po namin sa performance criteria ng training regulations. Contents, different form of preparation of materials, tools, and accessories, requisition procedures, proper handling of tools and equipment, following instructions. Nakuha naman po namin yung sa contents po is sa required knowledge and required skills. Conditions, workplace location, materials relevant to the unit of competency, technical plans, drawings, and specifications relevant to the activities. Kinuha po namin siya sa range of variables. Methodologies, lecture, demonstration, group discussion, PowerPoint presentation. Kinuha po namin sa methodologies ng training regulations. Assessment methods, written, practical, performance test. Nakuha po namin sa assessment approach ng training regulation. Unit of competency, interpret technical drawings. Module title, interpreting technical drawings. Dinagdagan lang po namin ng ing. Nakuha po namin sa unit of competency ng training regulations. Module descriptor, kinuha po namin sa unit descriptor ng TR, which is this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude and values needed to prepare, interpret diagrams, engineering, abbreviation, and drawing, symbols, dimension. Nominal duration, 4 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. Learning outcomes number 1, identify different kinds of technical drawing. Learning outcome number 2, interpret technical drawing. Learning outcome number 3, prepare, make changes of electrical, electronic, RAC, schematic, and drawings. Learning outcome number 4, store technical drawing and equipment instrument. So ito pong summary of learning outcomes po is nakuha po namin sa elements ng training regulation. Assessment criteria. Correct technical drawings is selected according to the job requirements. Technical drawings are segregated accordance with the types and kinds of drawings. Ang assessment criteria po is nakuha po namin sa performance criteria ng training regulation. Contents, reading skills required to interpret work instructions, applications for technical drawings, methods of technical drawings, symbols, markup notation of drawings. Nakuha naman po siya namin sa required knowledge and required skills. Conditions, memorandum, circular, notice, information, discussion, face-to-face communication. Nakuha po namin sa range of variables ng training regulation. Unit of competency, Observe procedures, specification, and manuals of instruction. Module titles, obs- observing procedures, specification, and manuals of instruction. Nilagyan lang po namin ng ing, so naging observing. Module descriptor, kinuha po namin sa unit descriptor ng training regulation, which is this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude in identifying, interpreting, applying, and service of specification and manuals in storing manuals. Nominal duration 4. Summary of learning outcomes. Learning outcome number 1, identify and access specification manuals. Learning outcome number 2, interpret manuals. Learning outcome number 3, apply information in manual. Learning outcome number 4, store manuals. This summary of learning outcomes po is nakuha namin sa elements po ng training regulations. Assessment criteria. Appropriate manuals are identified and accessed as per job requirements. Version and dated of manual is checked to ensure correct specification and procedure are identified. Nakuha po namin ang assessment criteria sa performance criteria ng training regulation. Content. Identification of symbols used in the manuals. Identifying manuals and specification. Accessing information and data. Nakuha po namin sa required knowledge and required skills ng training regulation. Condition. Information discussion. Face-to-face communication. Nakuha po namin sa range of variables ng training regulation. Methodologies. Discussion, lecture, and modular. Nakuha po namin sa methodologies ng training regulation. Assessment method, oral questioning, written test, written, practical, and performance test. Nakuha naman po namin sa assessment approach ng training regulation.
Next po is the unit of competency, performing menstruation and calculations, is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of competency of PR. And yung module title po is dinagdagan lang po namin ng ing, kaya naging performing menstruation and calculations. And yung module descriptor po is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of descriptor ng TR, kaya po is this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes and values needed to identify, care, handle, and use measuring instrument. And nominal duration is 3 hours. The summary of learning outcomes is select measuring instrument, carry out measurement and calculations, maintain and measuring instrument. And yung sa summary of learning outcome po is nakuha po namin siya sa elements of training regulations. Next po is the assessment criteria of selecting measuring instrument. Yung assessment criteria is object or component to be measured is identified, classified, and interpret to the appropriate regular geometric shape. Measuring tools are selected and lined with the job requirements. Correct specifications are obtained from relevant source. Appropriate measuring instrument is selected to achieve required outcome. Alternative measuring tools are used without satisfying cost and quality of work is nakuha po namin siya sa performance criteria of training regulations. Next po is the contents. The contents is category of measuring instrument, identify and selecting instrument, and visualizing object and shape. Is nakuha po namin siya sa required knowledge and required skill. And next po is the conditions. The conditions is information discussion, face-to-face communication, is nakuha po namin siya sa range of variables ng training regulations. And next po is the methodologies is lecture, and group discussions. Yung methodologies po is nakuha po namin siya sa training regulation methodologies. And the assessment method is written, examination, and oral evaluation. So, yung assessment method po is nakuha po namin siya sa TR sa assessment approach. Next unit of competency is perform basic electrical works is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of competency of TR. And the module title is dinagdagan lang po namin siya ng ing kaya naging performing basic electrical works. And the module descriptor po is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of descriptor ng training regulations. Kaya po naging this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in preparing materials, tools, and equipment, testing and electrical component, and basic repairing in electricity based on the required performance standards. And the nominal duration is 4 hours. The summary of learning outcomes is the learning outcome 1 is prepare electrical tools and test equipment. Learning outcome number 2 is test power supply and electrical components. Learning outcome number 3 is perform basic electrical repair. So, yung summary of learning outcomes is nakuha po namin siya sa elements ng training regulations. Next is the assessment criteria of preparing electrical tools and test equipment. Is nakuha po namin siya sa performance criteria ng training regulation. Work plan is to the determined job requirements. Electrical tools and instruments are identified and prepared according in the job requirements. Electrical tools and instruments are checked for conditions and calibrate as required. And next is the content. The contents is interpretation skills, handling of tools and materials, calibration skills, and communication skills. Is nakuha po namin siya sa required knowledge and required skills. The next po is the condition. The condition is non-verbal, verbal, and face-to-face. Is nakuha po namin siya sa range of variable ng training regulations. Next po is the methodologies is self-paced instructions, film viewing, direct laboratory experience, group discussion, and industry immersions. Is nakuha po namin siya sa training regulation methodologies. The next po is the assessment methods is interview, written test, examination, observations with questioning, demonstration with questionings. Yung assessment method po is nakuha po namin siya sa training regulations assessment approach. Next po is the maintain tools and equipments. Yung unit of competency po is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of competency ng training regulations. The module title po is tinagdagan lang po namin ng ing kaya naging maintaining tools and equipments. Sa module descriptor po is nakuha po namin siya sa unit of descriptor ng training regulation. So, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes on the checking condition, performing preventive maintenance, and storing HVACR, tools, and equipment. The nominal durations is 4. The summary of learning outcomes is check condition and tools and equipment, perform basic preventive maintenance, store tools and equipment is nakuha po namin siya sa elements ng training regulations. And next po is the assessment criteria of check the condition of tools and equipments is the material used and equipment are identified according to the qualification and job requirements. Non-functional tools and equipment are segregated and labeled according to the classifications. Safety of tools and equipments are observed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Condition of PPE are checked in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, and Yung assessment criteria po is nakuha po namin siya sa performance criteria ng training regulations. Next po is the contents. The contents is maintaining tools and equipment, handling of tools and equipments, identifying tools and equipments defect. Yung sa contents naman po is nakuha po namin siya sa required knowledge and required skills. Next po is the conditions is non-verbal, verbal, and face-to-face. Yung condition po is nakuha po namin siya sa range of variables ng training regulations. Next po is the methodology, small group discussions, demonstration of practical skills is nakuha po namin siya sa TR ng methodologies, and the assessment methods is observation and oral questionings, demonstration and oral questionings, written test. Yung assessment method po is nakuha po namin siya sa training regulation ng assessment approach. Next po is may I call Mary Rose Dia to discuss another unit of competency.
Unit of descriptor, performing housekeeping and safety practices for rock servicing. Module title, performing, dinagdagan po lang namin ang ing doon sa module title na performing housekeeping and safety practices for rock servicing. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, attitude, needs to work safety in the workplace, including sorting, cleaning, and dispensing materials, tools, and equipment, identifying and minimizing hazard, responding and recording accident, and following basic security. Nominal duration is 6 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. Nagmula po sa element ng TR, yung LO, CERT, material, tools, and equipment. LO, clean workplace area materials, tools, and equipment. LO3, systemized dispensing, retrieval of materials, tools, and equipment. LO4, identifying, minimize eliminate hazards. LO5, response, record accidents. LO6, follow basic security. Next po. Sa assessment criteria naman po, ginawa po namin yan sa TR now performance criteria. Material, tools, and equipment are classified according to its kind. Appropriate area for materials, tools, and equipment are designated. Sa contents naman po, nagmula po sa required knowledge and required skills, classification of tools and equipment and materials, selection of appropriate area for sorting. Next po. Sa condition naman po, kinuha po namin ito sa range of variables. Notice, information, discussion, face-to-face communication. Next po. Sa methodologies naman po, kinuha po namin sa methodologies ng TR, self-paced instruction, film viewing, direct laboratory experience, group discussion, industry immersion. Sa assessment methods, kinuha din po namin sa TR ng qualification ng land-based transportation sa assessment approach, interview, written test examination, observation with questioning, demonstration with questioning. Competency, work accomplished. Module title, documenting work accomplished. Nagdagan po lang namin ng ing. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in documentary work accomplished. Nominal duration is 2 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. LO1, identifying forms and data. LO2, prepare reports mula po sa element ng TR. Next po. Assessment criteria. One form are selected based on the reports to be prepared. 1.2 data are collected based on the reports to be prepared. Nagmula po sa performance criteria ng PR. Sa contents naman po, selecting and interpreting forms, interpreting work accomplished, data gathering techniques. Nagmula naman po sa required knowledge and required skills. Next po. Sa condition naman po, ginawa po namin ito sa range of variable ng PR, memorandum, circular, notice, information discussion, face-to-face communication. Next po. Methodologies, lecture, discussion, group work. Nagmula din po ito sa TR ng qualification ng land-based methodologies. And then sa assessment methods po, meron pong interview, written demonstration with questioning. Kinuha din po namin ito sa assessment approach.
And that's all po for Module of Instruction of Land-Based Transport Refrigeration, Servicing and CITO for Common Competency.